The spread operator is a shorthand replacement for expressions that expect multiple array elements, properties, or functional arguments. It will do different things depending on its context. In arrays, the spread operator can be used to create or expand new arrays based off existing arrays. It works similarly to the array.concat function. For example, we can use array 1, 2, 3 as a base for creating a new array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are separate arrays, and mutating the top-level elements in one will not affect the other. The power of the spread operator is the ability to combine arrays starting at any element within the array. For context, here's one way you would do this with an existing JavaScript array function. It's not immediately obvious here what's going on with this approach. You can also combine multiple arrays. Or just clone the existing array. When used inside objects, it shallow clones properties of one object into another object. In this example, just like with arrays, object 2 is a distinct object from object 1. That said, it's important to realize the difference between shallow cloning and deep cloning. This applies to both arrays and objects. References to any object type variable are shared when an object is shallow cloned. In this case, inner object in O1 is the same as inner object in O2. One solution to this is to explicitly copy the inner object when defining O2, like this. Another option is to deep copy the object. You can find a number of tools in the npm repository for this, or depending on your use case, you can use a JSON parse JSON stringify approach to clone it. Putting the spread operator before an object for an array will throw a type error. The inverse, putting a spread operator before an array for an object, is allowed, however. The array index becomes the key of each value. The spread operator can be used inside function calls and function arguments. When used in a function call, the spread operator converts an array argument into a list of individual arguments. It's the same as calling the spread operator in the function call can be combined with other arguments as well. When used in a function definition, it treats each individual argument of the function as an element of the array. Here's how to rewrite the showAdditionString function to accept any number of arguments. This function makes use of some array functions that we have not gone over yet. The join function combines each array element into a string, using the argument as a delimiter. The reduce function calls a function for each array element, where the function's second argument is the array element, and the first argument is whatever was returned from the last call. The spread operator in the function definition can be combined with other arguments, so long as the spread operator is only on the last argument. Also, there can only be one argument using the spread operator in a function. In summary, the spread operator is a convenient utility that makes it possible to easily shallow clone objects and arrays, invoke functions with arrays as arguments, and allows functions to use any number of arguments.